This time, Ta-Kei-san makes mixed rice with bamboo shoots. First, cook the bamboo shoots in dashi stock. To make the stock, add 100 ml of soup stock, 1 tablespoon of Japanese sake, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and simmer for 20 minutes. Please see our previous YouTube video for more information on preparing bamboo shoots. The link is in the description. Add the stock to the rice before cooking. Add the hard parts of the bamboo shoots to the rice. Slice the fried tofu into strips and add them. Cut the ginger into strips and add them to the rice. Cook the rice. Prepare the teriyaki chicken to be added to the rice mixture. Grill the chicken with the skin side down for 7 minutes. Cover and steam and grill the other side for a few minutes. Remove oil from the pan. Add 2 tablespoons sake, 2 tablespoons mirin, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon sugar. Boil down the teriyaki sauce. Be careful not to burn it. The teriyaki chicken is ready. When the bamboo shoot rice is ready, mix it with the teriyaki chicken and the cooked bamboo shoot tips. Sancho leaves are used for decoration and flavor. Their aroma gives the dish a spring flavor, but you can do without them. The rice mixed with bamboo shoots and chicken teriyaki is ready. You can add any ingredients you like. You can enjoy the deliciousness of the teriyaki chicken and the bamboo shoots simultaneously, which is recommended. If Ta-Kei-san can do it, anyone can do it. He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube.
Thank you very much for your watching.